Hey, this one's cassava. Oh. Cassava. Hmm? Like, I don't know. Cassava is like canopy cassava. Hmm? Canopy cassava. Canopy. Wow. Mhm. Mhm. Wow. Hey, look at it. Canopy. Mm. Mm. This is nature. Wow. Mm. Mm. So this cassava that you see is not even up to 1 year. Mm. It's not even up to 1 year. Just a few months. About 3 or 4 months. Cassava that you are seeing. 3 or 4. Mm. Wow. So I call it canopy cassava. Mm. This is nature. Nature. What? Mm. Hey, still, I'm under the cassava. And because of that, it's the weeds under it are not getting chance to grow that much. And it's very easy to weed under it. Very easy to weed under this cassava. Canopy cassava. Eh? Canopy. What? My canopy cassava. Under the canopy. You say under the canopy of God, but that's one. Under the canopy of cassava. Mm. And this is where the fowls rest. Mm. He rests fowls, but doesn't have any pen or coop for them. Mm. Because of the nature of the cassava farm. This is where they rest. They rest their heads. So what is it? Oh, what? Canopy cassava. Mm. Canopy cassava. The fowls are under it. This fowls, it is a breed of the local and then the hybrid, the exotic. This is it. You see that? Running away. They're running away. Oh. This is where they rest their heads. Mm-hmm. So we've seen them. These are the fowls. These are the fowls. You can see them. You see them? Wow. Wow. That's the canopy cassava. Canopy cassava. Wow. Wow. So that is it too. That is it. Charlie, life in the village is so sweet. Life in the village is so sweet. So sweet. So I entreat. And this area, one thing about it, the Black Americans, the way they are invading this land, you love it. Because most of them want to come into agriculture or farming. And Charlie, this area, there are a lot of them here. There are a lot of them here. A lot of them here. With that, you see one of the fowls. Come, you see. So nature, indeed, is so nice. Nature is nice. Nature is nice. So, this is my canopy cassava.